Hello people and welcome back to Caught on Dashcam channel, a channel that features only the latest and craziest moments caught on drivers' dashcam. Today's episode is going to be packed with all sorts of crazy encounters, so make sure to stick around till the end because you won't be disappointed. Without any further ado, let's get this episode going. In our first video, we have a crazy driver who lost his patience and he nearly sideswiped the camera as he moved past him. Never act like this crazy driver here. Despite the fact that the lane ends, this driver doesn't seem to be much bothered. He goes by the old rule, if the lane ends, create your own.
In 800 feet, take the entrance to the right on I-5 North.
Camera caught some reckless moves on his dashcam. Drivers don't know how to act at the roundabout, overtaking over a double solid yellow line and even using the shoulder of the road. All kinds of bad moves. Take notes and learn, people.
That was dumb. On that truck's part.
Smiling face.
Slightly smiling face.
Do you want to reply?
Now look at this.
Oh my God! What the? Jesus Christ!
Camera got caught up in a traffic stop at the bridge and there was no other way than to stop and wait. Unfortunately, the van driver that was behind the camera didn't pay attention at the road ahead and he caused an accident. Biker got into a heated argument with a rude driver who nearly hit him as he moves past him. To make things even worse, he was so self-entitled that he didn't want to admit his fault here at all.
Who are you honking at? Was that at me?
Go.
Was that at me?
Yeah.
Why?
Go.
Why did you?
Go.
I'm allowed to be in the road.
Go.
I was off to. I was in the path.
Go.
Why are you? Why did you honk at me?
Go.
I can't hear you. I can't hear you. La 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 la.
With this clip, we conclude another episode on Caught on Dashcam channel. I hope you guys enjoy watching and learning something from all the mistakes you saw. Make sure to leave a like because that would help a lot. While you're there, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content. Until the next one, drive safe and take care.